Hi, I'm Sean Gannon, and this is Minute Math. And today we're going to learn about compound inequalities. We're going to solve each inequality and graph its solution. So if I was given this inequality, -1 minus 10a is less than -1, or 10 plus 3a is less than or equal to -5. Okay? Well, our first step here is I'm going to solve each inequality individually. So I'm going to add a 1 to both sides here, giving me a -10a is less than -1 plus 1 is 0. Then I'm going to divide by -10 to both sides. That leaves me a by itself, but I'm dividing by a negative over an inequality. That less than sign turns to a greater than sign. And 0 divided by -10 is 0. Okay? So now I'm going to solve this one. I'm going to subtract a 10 to both sides, giving me 3a here is less than or equal to -5 minus 10 is a -15. Then I'm going to divide by 3 to both sides, leaving me a by itself is less than or equal to -15 divided by 3 being a -5. So now I have my two parts. I have a is greater than 0, or a can be less than or equal to -5. So now we need to graph that. Okay? I want to make sure I have 0 and -5 in my number line here. Put 0 here, and then let's go by ones. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. It's not that even. Sorry. -7. Not really. Sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So we said a can be greater than 0. So in 0, we have an open circle, and because a is not equal to 0, it's just greater than, and I'm going to put my arrow to the right. Okay. Then they also tell us that a is less than or equal to -5. Since it can equal -5, I have a closed circle there. And since it's less than, I'm going to put my arrow to the left, right there. So now my graph here have my two parts, matches my or statement above, which is a is greater than 0, or a is less than or equal to a -5. So let's recap. We're given -1 minus 10a is less than -1, or 10 plus 3a is less than or equal to -5. I solved each individually. I added 1 to both sides, then divided by -10. And when I divided by -10 to both sides, I had a by itself here on the left, and I flipped that inequality because I was dividing by a negative. So that less than sign turned into a greater than sign, and 0 divided by -10 is 0. This one here, I subtracted 10 to both sides and divided by 3, giving me a was less than or equal to a -5. Graphed both of them on the number line. I had an open circle at 0 because it's not equal to 0, but it's greater than 0, so I put my arrow to the right. This one here, a could equal -5, so I put a closed circle there. And a was also less than -5, so I put my arrow to the left. So now I have my graph here that matches my compound inequality, which is a is greater than 0, or a is less than or equal to a -5.